Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix Face ID not working on iPhone in iOS 16.5. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Solution 1. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on Face ID and Passcode. Enter your iPhone passcode. Turn off all options: iPhone unlock, iPhone and App Store, wallet and Apple Pay, password autofill. Already off. Then go back setting page, tap on general, scroll down, tap transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset, tap reset all setting, enter your phone passcode. Again reset all setting in the pop-up window to confirm this action. Go back setting page, tap on Face ID and Passcode, enter your phone passcode, turn on back all options. Solution number 2. Turn on Face ID and attention options. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap accessibility. On the accessibility page, scroll down, tap Face ID and attention. Turn on require attention for Face ID, attention aware features, haptic on successful authentication. Enter your phone passcode. Solution number 3. Erase all content and setting. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap general. On the general page, scroll down, tap transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset, tap continue, tap done. Solution number 4. Reset Face ID. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap Face ID and Passcode. Enter your phone passcode. Tap on Reset Face ID. Scroll down. Enable Erase Data. Again enable. Then wait for few seconds and turn off back. Thanks for watching this video.